Welcome to a journey where we explore the incredible potential of the mind in manifesting wealth. The connection between thought and abundance is not new. It's a concept rooted in ancient philosophy, spiritual traditions, and modern psychology. When we align these perspectives, we discover practical pathways to attract prosperity into our lives. The power of your mind is profound. Throughout history, great thinkers and spiritual leaders have emphasized the importance of our thoughts. Even the biblical teachings remind us that words have creative power. Speak it, and it will manifest. Imagine the miracles that can arise when we harness this ability effectively. Ancient philosophies across cultures share a common belief. Your inner state shapes your external reality. The Greeks referred to it as nous, the divine mind that resides within. Hebrew mystics spoke of ruach, the spirit of God that breathes life into our thoughts. In Vedic teachings, the mind, or manas, directs the life force, or prana. Early Christians encouraged the renewal of the mind to align with divine abundance. The essence is clear. Thoughts are active. They are seeds planted in the garden of your life. Manifestation, in spiritual terms, is not about forcing your will upon reality. It's about harmonizing with a higher power. The ancients recognized that God embodies abundance itself, and we are reflections of this creative force. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with this divine order, we open ourselves to opportunities we may have previously overlooked. It's a shift in perception where thinking differently leads to acting differently, ultimately opening doors to new paths. Let's translate this ancient wisdom into actionable steps for manifesting money in today's world. First, we must shift our mindset from scarcity to possibility. The ancients taught that fear obstructs the divine flow, and modern neuroscience aligns with this idea, revealing that fear limits our perceptions. By changing our internal narrative from "I never have enough" to "I am open to opportunities," we begin to expand our awareness. Next, holding a clear mental image is essential. Ancient mystics utilized visualization as a form of prayer, and contemporary psychology calls it mental rehearsal. When you visualize your desired financial outcome, your brain starts filtering reality to align with that vision. Speaking abundance into existence is also crucial. Our words carry weight. They can limit us or empower us. Replace thoughts of lack with affirmations like, "I am discovering new ways to increase my income." Taking aligned action is imperative in this process. The ancients emphasized that manifestation is not about waiting. Be proactive. Use your skills in digital marketing, website optimization, and strategic thinking to bring your ideas into fruition. Finally, embrace gratitude. It's a powerful emotional state that shifts our perception and behavior, acting as a multiplier for abundance. Try incorporating a simple 5-minute daily routine inspired by these ancient teachings. Start with quieting your mind to open the inner gate. Visualize your goals, speak affirmations, seek divine guidance, and take small, actionable steps toward your financial aspirations. This method blends ancient wisdom with modern neuroscience and practical actions, training your mind to notice and create opportunities that have always been available.